Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be replacing this air filtro de aire on a 2000 Toyota Corolla, and it's pretty much the same thing, same procedure for the 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, and 2002 Toyota Corollas. And this is the part brand. Here's the air filter, and the air filter is here, located inside this air box. It's pretty simple to replace. You don't need any tools for it. Just unsnap these two clips, that one, and in there are two like grooves where the air box slides in and out. All right, so we're gonna be replace. Let me see if I can take out the air filter. It's in here. Notice how it's placed in. I'm gonna take it out. Take it out. It's kind of hard filming with one hand and working with the other one. Got it out. Now let's compare it with the new one. Notice how clean the new one is. Man, that bird is annoying. There you are. So make sure this rubber seal, it's in place. Let's turn it. Let's turn this one. Oh, look at that. Look at the difference. Now what I like to do is I'm gonna blow inside with this duster so I can remove any debris that might be in there. Like that. Let's take a look inside. That's just the white stuff from the duster. So hopefully no debris will stay inside. Now let me proceed and put in the new air filter. Alright, so the new air filter is in there. And I put in place. So let's just make sure to close the air box, to seal the air box down here. And just go ahead and put the taps back on, and that's pretty much it. Look at how dirty the air filter was. Alright guys, that's it. This is how you replace an air filter on a 2000 Toyota Corolla. Simple and easy. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel.